Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
He goes to work every day by bus. They go to the gym on Mondays. She always eats breakfast at 7 a.m. We walk in the park every weekend. He finishes his homework before dinner. I speak English very well. The sun rises in the east. They watch TV every evening. She is reading a book right now. We always finish our homework on time. The train leaves at 5 p.m. I go to the library every afternoon. He studies very hard for his exams. She works in the same office as her brother. They have lunch at 1 p.m. every day. We eat at the same cafe every Sunday. He washes his car every weekend. The dog barks at strangers. They spend a lot of time at the beach. She plays the violin beautifully.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.